Hi, today we are going to talk about water. How I carry my water and purify for the Camino. Let's take a look.
In 2021, Portugal and Spain recast.
The drinking water directive,
What it is that the water has to be,
safe for human consumption.
so if any EU country does not follow the standard, then they can be fined. So
So the water in Spain is safe to drink. I'd rather be safe, so I bring my own filter just to be safe. The last two Camino, I brought with me the Be-Free Catadine filter, scoop and squeeze. It's so simple. It's easy to use. The soya squeeze. This one. For the Camino English, I found another filter. Check this out. Pretty fancy. It's the Grail Titanium Ultra Press. It's a filter and purifier. So what it is that, let me show you. Scoop the water or from the fountain up to here and then press. Safe to drink. Cheers. Aqua taps. I don't use this. This is the last resort. If I don't have a filter or if I'm out about in the nowhere and I have no way to filter my water, then I'll use this. But don't use this unless it's the last resort. This is how I carry my water while on the Camino. Disclaimer. This is based on my experience and what works for me on previous Camino and some of my hiking trips in the past. I do not like to carry a bladder. This thing, yeah, it's convenient, but when you have to fill the water, you gotta take it apart, take off your backpack and put it in, and it's a pain. And sometimes you get a bad one, it puncture and it ripped, your whole bag all wet. Plus also I can't see how much I have left in the bag. So for me, it's a no-go. Here is my bag. This is how I carry my water. I like to carry a small bottle in here. Usually this will last me for an hour. So like every 30 minutes, I'll do like half. So by the time I'm done with this, it just means that, okay, it's time for a long butt break, like 5 or 10 minutes. And then that'll give me time to refill it. On the side here, I like to use this bottle. What is this for? I like to mix it with hydration mix. And this will be on this side. And on this side, I am carrying my new filter, the Grail Filter Press. And that's how I carry my water. Please like and subscribe. Until then, buen camino! I like to mix it with, what is this? What is this? Oh, hydration pack. I like to mix the hydration mix. Please like and subscribe. Until then, buen camino!